Hey, it's so good to see you in another KTON Keys video. How is it going? In today's video, I'll be essentially talking about the relationship between Darwinia Network and the Evolution Land. Well, Darwinia team has been around for quite some time in the market, since 2018. So compared to many popular projects today, it is quite an old project. However, still there is a lot of confusion and misunderstanding since the Darwinia team has been working on multiple fronts. The blockchain game Evolution Land, Subscan Explorer, the Crab Network, and of course the Darwinia Network itself. So I decided to make this video to make clear once for all the relationship between Darwinia Network and Evolution Land game. So let us understand a little bit of the history of the foundation of the Darwinia network and what this has to do with the blockchain game Evolution Land. If we take a look into the last pages of Darwinia Gene paper, we find that Alex Chen and Wang are the co-founders of Darwinia. They started their career in crypto in 2011-2012, so they're very early Bitcoin adopters. They met each other when they were working to open sources project. Well, let's see what Alex Chen has to tell us about this period when he got to know Danny and they started to work together.
Actually, we are from Ambitious community. We were very active Ambitious members. I was working as a front-end developer. Myself is a full-stack developer myself. So I was working on web wallets and stuff like explore things like that. My co-founder Danny, he's actually from the Ambitious 1.0 core team. He was working with BM in US at the time. And we actually are online friends because we don't know each other. We were discussing those economics technologies online so that we realized that we are both from the same country.
So in 2019, Alex and Danny created the Ring token together with Evolution Land, a cross-chain blockchain game. They believed that bringing average people to the blockchain world would be easier using a gamified experience. The user would start to adopt the blockchain technology, wallets, experiencing the cross-chain interoperability, and crypto slowly without noticing. So Evolution Land would be kind of a showcase to educate users and of course a critical piece of their work. So studying a little bit of the history of Darwinia's foundation, we realized that the game Evolution Land came first and Darwinia Network, the blockchain itself, came after the game. Since the whole idea of Evolution Land was to be the first cross-chain game where blockchains could interact in a competitive and collaborative way, the key activity developers had to do to bring this to life was, of course, to build the technology to move assets between the blockchains. However, Alex and Danny found no trustless bridge technology, so they would have to accept the bridges under the proof of authority model. Many people interested in the game thought it would be okay to rely on game developers and trust them to make the custodian move of the assets around. But Alex and Danny weren't satisfied with this centralized solution. And when the first iteration of the game finished, they started to work on those decentralized bridges. They found an amazing solution, built a solid technology of a trustless bridge, and focused on this technology. Since the solution was very powerful, they found that using the bridge solution just for Evolution Land would be a huge waste. Therefore, they extracted this part from the game product and decided to create Darwinia Network to benefit the whole crypto industry. In the Polkadot ecosystem, the parachains can communicate through the Polkadot relay chain. Still, they need someone to help them communicate with those legacy blockchains like Ethereum. This is the role Darwinia wants to play, be the chain of the bridges of the Polkadot ecosystem. The idea is that Darwinia will enable every project in the Polkadot ecosystem to connect with external blockchains without each parachain having to build its own bridges. The whole Polkadot ecosystem would benefit if the projects could focus on their business and let Darwinia provide the cross-chain infrastructure to all those chains. That's why we say Darwinia need to have a parachain slot on Polkadot. And the future of this bridge hub depends on your support. So let's summarize this into a conclusion. Darwinia team has built Evolution Land, Darwinia Network, Crab Network, and Subscan Explorer, the most popular blockchain explorer for the Polkadot ecosystem. Darwinia Network is the foundational layer of the cross-chain game Evolution Land. It provides the trustless, decentralized bridge technology needed for the cross-chain game. However, Darwinia cross-chain bridges are not restricted to Evolution Land and can be used by many other cross-chain applications of the Polkadot ecosystem. And that's the relationship between Darwinia Network and Evolution Land. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next Crypto Tanukis video. Bye!